I love anything with peanut butter, and today we're making peanut butter snowballs. These are so easy to make, which is good because they never last long. We're going to start with 2 cups of powdered sugar, to that we'll add 1 teaspoon of salt, and I have 2/3 of a cup of graham crackers here, or 85 grams weighed out. I'm just going to crush these up, put them in a Ziploc bag, and then I'm just going to grab a rolling pin and just crush them up. It doesn't have to be perfectly fine. As long as you don't have any large pieces, it's fine. So we'll add our crushed graham crackers in, and just mix all that together. So I like to flavor it with a touch of cinnamon, about half a teaspoon or so. Mix in the cinnamon, and now we'll add the peanut butter. We have 1 cup of creamy peanut butter. To help bind everything together, I have a 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter. And that's the filling. So just incorporate everything together. Actually, this is easier done with clean hands. You know it's done when you grip some in your hand and it holds its shape, similar to a pie crust. This looks good. So I have a sheet tray. I'm going to line it with parchment paper. I'm going to use this cookie scoop here. This way they're all uniform. And just roll them out onto our sheet tray with parchment paper. We'll do this with the rest of our mixture. And once you have them all rolled out, we want to pop these in the freezer for at least a half hour. We want it to be completely set before we add the chocolate. And this is important because we want the chocolate to completely coat the peanut butter, and we want it to hold its shape. So I have 12 ounces of white chocolate here. And I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of coconut oil. You could use any neutral tasting oil. This is going to help with the texture of the chocolate. I'm going to add a tablespoon of vanilla. And I'm just going to put this in the microwave in 30-second intervals until it's melted. This looks good, so we could take our peanut butter balls out and get these coated. I have a wire rack with some parchment paper underneath. We'll just arrange the peanut butter balls on the rack. And then we'll bring back the chocolate, and I like to spoon it over, as opposed to dipping it in the chocolate like you were making a truffle. I feel like it looks a little bit more like snow when it's spooned over. So we'll just do this for each peanut butter ball, coat it with the chocolate. And I like to put some toppings on these. Some rainbow sprinkles. You could use any toppings you like, of course. Some more crushed graham cracker, some sea salt. I have these Christmas sprinkles here. Put some of those on. And then bring back the chocolate, and we'll coat the rest of these. Same deal, we get the toppings. And you want to do this before the chocolate sets. This way they'll stick to the chocolate. Finish these last few up. And that's pretty much it. That's peanut butter snowball. You could leave these out at room temperature, or you could put them in the fridge. Don't store them in the freezer. Of Of course, you could top these with powdered sugar to make it really look like snow. So make these peanut butter snowballs for your family and friends. They really are addicting. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, helps this channel grow, and subscribe to the channel for new videos every week. See you next time.